What's going on, guys? It's Mark from M3 Finished Mobile Detailing, back with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to wash and wax your car under 5 minutes using this product right here. Now let's get to the video. All right, guys, before we start this video, are you guys struggling how to keep your clients on a weekly or bi-weekly basis, or you're not seeing a lot of consistency in your schedule? Make sure to check out Jobber. Jobber's gonna help you guys be more organized and be on top of things. For me, in my mobile detailing business, I got a lot going on. I'm handling the cars, handling the calls, and also just texting the clients all at once. So just a lot going on. So for me, in my mobile detailing business, how Jobber works, it's going to send a notification a day of and a day before, so it helps them keep more organized on their end and on my end as well. Look more professional and be more efficient, and also make more money because we're having recurring business. If you guys are interested, make sure to check out the description down below for a 14-day free trial. And also, I want to give a shout out to Sebastian out there. Thank you for watching the channel. Now let's get to the video. All right, guys, before we show you how to wash and wax your car within 5 minutes, first we're going to show you how to properly wash a vehicle. So we got this vehicle right here, a lot of bugs, a lot of dust on it. So right now we're going to do a pre-foam. So in my MJJC foam cannon, I have solution from Shine Supply and P&S Pro. Diluted in here, I put 2 ounces of solution and then 2 ounces of soap, the rest water. And we're going to pre-foam it. Let it sit for a little bit to break down the grime, the bugs, and the dust, so we have less contaminants when we're washing the vehicle. Let's get to it. So the first thing we're gonna do is foam it down. All right, guys, so we got that foamed up on the vehicle right now. We're gonna let it sit for a minute, but in the meantime, we're gonna be hitting these wheels. I like to hit half of the wheels and then rinse it down. So let's rinse down this wheel. The next thing we're gonna do is use Shine Supply solution, diluted 1-to-1. Great all-purpose cleaner, great tire cleaner. But for heavy tires, I'll use a degreaser. But if you guys ever use solution, drop it down in the comments below. So I like to soak the wheel a lot to make sure we got everything, especially up here on the top. So I'm gonna go with my easy wheel brush right now, agitate the barrels. And also a tip too, I put 2 ounces of P&S Pro in my bucket. Need more lubrication. So now I'm gonna get my Wheel Willy face brush, agitate it, just hitting all the nooks and crannies. Hit the lug nuts. After when that's done, I'm gonna get my wheel mitt. Hit the areas that I feel like I missed, worst case scenario. Making sure we clean the wheel thoroughly. After that, I'm gonna get my detail factory brush right here. Agitate the tires. And I'm gonna rinse it down. All right, guys, so we just finished hitting the wheels. Now it's time to rinse down the vehicle. All right, guys, so next step after rinsing down, I'm gonna spray a little bit of solution on the front just to make sure all the bugs are off. Just wanna double check. I don't wanna spend a lot of time hitting it with the detail spray, and doing the right way, you save a lot of time. So just make sure you hit the areas that you need to hit. All right, guys, now we just finished hitting the bumper with the solution from Shine Supply. Now it's time to foam it down using this foam cannon right here. This is the tiny foam cannon. You just put pure soap. You don't have to dilute it. I'm still testing it out. Let me know in the comments down below if you're interested in making a video dedicated to this foam cannon. Drop it down in the comments below. But I'm gonna turn my knob and we're gonna foam down the vehicle. So after foaming the vehicle, now it's time to hit our contact wash. So it's time to do our contact wash. So I got 2 ounces. I got 2 ounces in the bucket right here. Got my mitts. Now it's time to do my agitation, starting from top to bottom. Whatever comes up must come down, as you guys know. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys ever use P&S Pro and what do you guys think about that soap. It's pretty cheap, not too expensive. Great soap. I like the smell. It smells like orange juice. So we're agitating the vehicle, making sure we hit everything. Flip over my mitt. Hit this area. About to hit the hood right now. P&S has slick soap. So we're agitating it. Getting the bumper all dialed in. All right, guys, another tip is to hit the grill. Use like a brush or anything like that, especially on these kind of grills right here that haven't been cleaned in a while. I like to hit them really thoroughly with the brush. So I'm using my Blue Willy brush to agitate the grill. A lot of dirt likes to sit inside these areas. So we're just making sure we thoroughly clean them. So working on the other side of the vehicle. Let me know in the comments down below, what is your favorite soap? Right now, I'm rocking with a lot of soaps, trying a lot of products out. So if you guys could recommend some, it will help out me and the channel for more product reviews. So working pretty quick, trying to be as efficient as possible. It's a little bit warm outside today. Southern California, it's probably like 90 degrees outside right now. So black paint, everyone knows it's a hassle to clean. A lot of touching up, a lot of detail spray. So let me know in the comments down below, what is the fastest time you washed your car? I see some guys out there wash their car like 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Let me know what is the fastest you guys done. All right, guys, so we got the mitt on the stick already intact. If you guys don't have one of these, I would highly recommend it. So we're gonna hit the top. I could have did this first, but already pre-foamed it anyways. So come through and dunk it in the bucket. As you see, it's starting to dry off the soap because it's pretty warm outside. You got the black paint, attract a lot of heat. So now we're done washing the vehicle. I'm just gonna come through and hit underneath the blades. Making sure I got the blades and the windows. Now let's rinse off the vehicle. All right, so now we finished with the contact wash. Now it's time to rinse it down. Alright guys, you're wondering how to wash and wax your vehicle less than 5 minutes. It's using this product right here. This is from Soft99. It's called the Tornado Vortex. It's going to be helping suspense the product and be a little bit more efficient. You pull it back and start spraying. The cool thing about this one, it lasts about 5 months on the paint, 3 months on the glass. You could apply it on the wheels. You're going to have to apply it on the towel and then wipe it in. The reason why I picked this product right here, it's supposed to leave no streaking, no residue behind. I like to be more efficient. I don't like to buff out stuff. So let's try it. We're gonna give it a go. We're gonna cock it back. We got our towel from Costco. The paint's wet. Let's spray it on the surface. So after we're done hitting it, it leaves it super smooth. It's actually really glossy and really slick. So I'm gonna spray it on this part. You don't have to go crazy with it necessarily. You could just easily hit it and move on to the next part. I got this product for $29.99 on their website. I can leave it in the description down below. It's making it easy just to dry off the vehicle and then also hit it on the paint. This product reminds me of another product called Wet Detailer from Shine Supply. But as I see, man, I don't see any streaking. I don't see anything that I'm fighting against. It's looking pretty good. Overall, so far so good. And I'm not gonna be going crazy with it, spraying it all over the car, because we're trying to make profit with this product as well. Hit the side. Lightly hit it. If you hit it on the glass, it's not gonna be staining it or anything like that. So just buffing it out. We'll work onto the other side right here. And a little goes a long way, so you don't have to soak the whole vehicle with this can right here, because if you do, pretty sure you won't have a lot of product. You can probably spend $30 on protecting your vehicle. This is for something to be fashion efficient. For me, the reason why I picked this product too, I like JDM stuff, I like a lot of Japanese stuff. Watch some anime, so if you guys have any animes, drop it down in the comments below. But overall, just like the whole culture of their detailing, their cars out there. Pretty cool. All right, now we're moving on to this side right here. I'm kind of surprised how it doesn't leave a lot of streaking or even water beading behind, like a little snail trail. And if my towel is getting a little bit more wet than usual, what I'm gonna do is just wring it out so it picks up water better. And then see, we just come through and mop it up easy. Easy peasy. I'm actually impressed with this product. So we're hitting the whole vehicle and it's super slick, which is crazy. And it makes it fun detailing. The reason why I got this product too, just to be fun. This thing, just the housing of it, just the product, I don't know, it just makes it a little more interesting. When you're detailing, you want to find things a little bit more interesting, a little bit more exciting using new products. And I think this product right now is pretty damn good. And especially on a black car in 90-degree weather, I was pretty concerned. I was scared that it might leave a little bit of streaking. And honestly, I don't feel like I have to go around the vehicle with the detailing spray just because it looks good. All right guys, so we're gonna be hitting the top of the vehicle with the ladder. And after that, we're gonna finish up the vehicle and give you guys our overall opinion. And what do you guys think about it in the comments down below? All right guys, so we just finished the vehicle right here. We hit the paint, we protected it. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think about this product and would you guys buy it? I'll leave it down in the description down below. This is not a sponsored video, it's just for fun. Other than that, we hit the glass with rinseless wash. For the wheels, we hit it with decked out. And off camera, just hit the vacuum, pet hair, everything was all dialed in and taken care of. So let me know what you guys think about this process. Would you guys use it in your detailing business? And other than that, guys, this is gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys got some information and drop it down in the comment below. Make sure to like the video and share it to another detailer if they're interested in this product. And I'll see you guys on the next one.